So fun lovers, here is a Nike ACG zip up pocket fleece. This one's a size medium. 4 pockets on the front, so here and also on the inside here. All 4 pockets are zip up, which is nice. I think zippers are crucial for pockets. But what I also like about this is one, you can tighten up the jacket on the bottom here. If you can see that here, little latch to kind of, you know, pull it, tighten it up, and also little ventilation areas on the armpits. I can do a 360 later and also zoom into it too. But the coolest part, I think, is this little hidden pocket on the side. Love it. Love hidden pockets. But yeah, I'll try it on for you. I'm 5'7", 160. This is a size medium. Fits me pretty well. I like it a lot. What's up, fun lovers? So this is the Nike ACG zip pocket fleece. It's got 2 zip up pockets at the top here like this, and then 2 pockets here on the sides like that. And I'm actually reshooting this because I just found out, I realized that there's also a pocket inside like that. So I don't really know what. Yeah, probably phone would be a good one. Small water bottle might fit. And then I think the other notable feature is inside here. It's got like a little mesh ventilation functionality here. That's on both sides. But yeah, this is only on this side, the left side, if you're wearing the jacket. So yeah, with it on, fully zipped, it's like this. Yep. Oh yeah, and then you can also tie it, or I guess what do you call it? Tighten it up with these little latches here. Just pull it, and it'll tighten up the bottom part of the jacket. But yeah, little secret hidden pocket that I didn't know about until now.